Dirt. Dirt.
Are you doing the front or the back here?
Everywhere. Everywhere.
I just gotta find my gun. And at least I reloaded. So guys, I'm gonna explain how to play this. Whoever player gets shot out there of the game, and whoever doesn't get shot stays in the game.
Outside.
We're gonna play back. No.
Okay, what were your rules?
Oh, my rules were whoever gets shot gets out. Out of the game, and whoever doesn't get shot will
Okay, we're not playing
stay in the game.
No, we're not playing.
And also, one more thing, hiding behind trees is okay.
And cars.
Yeah, but then
Listen, hey.
Yeah?
Listen. Stop thinking. Listen.
yeah.
We're not playing outsies.
Oh.
So if you get shot, you get shot. You just keep playing.
Oh.
But listen, the one rule is,
Mhm.
if anybody's up here,
Mhm.
if you're grabbing darts to reload, you can't get shot in this area. We can't shoot people when they're grabbing new darts.
Okay.
Rule?
Promise.
Everybody understand that rule?
Yeah. On your mark.
No, we're not ready.
On your mark. Get set. On your mark. Get set.
Yeah.
When I tell you when I want to go, then that means we
Put
go.
the headband on.
On your mark, get set, go. I'm gonna hide behind the car. Oh no, I'm actually not gonna hide behind Daddy's car. I'm gonna hide behind.
Don't tell us. We'll come find you.
I'm not gonna hide.
Where's Mommy going?
You need to worry about where Mommy's going.
Alright. Off the porch.
Yeah, when people are grabbing new darts, they. Daddy! No! Oh! No!
Alright, I didn't take it. That's all good.
I'm gonna shoot you. That's the whole point of the game.
I'm not gonna shoot. I'm not gonna shoot. No! Just got reload. Oh! You have to do what I have to do.
Watch out behind you.
That means you are on team.
No, we're all against each other.
I see now.
Oh crap!
Ow! Now shoot.
No, you know the rules.
We don't shoot up here.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, can I drink some?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can have this.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay.
Hey guys, why don't we trade guns?
No.
Mom, you can get my big gun because it has like 20 bullets in it.
I'm good. Thanks, buddy.
Are we supposed to shoot? Ow!
Not that close, what?
I'm gonna hide behind cars.
Alright, don't go on the road.
Okay, but then why don't me and you hide? Hide behind here because Mommy might.
Mommy's hey, psst. Hey, Mommy's on the other side. Mommy's on the bushes over there. In the backyard and come up behind her. I don't have enough time.
Ow! She got me. She got me right in the arm.
Okay.
See that? See the red spot?
Oh, you're fine.
That hurt. But I'm still ready to fight. Me and you are
No, go. Go. Oh!
I know that was a trick. I want to trade guns.
No.
I feel like trading.
No, you have a hard time with this gun. Go find mommy.
Found a bullet.
All right, get a bullet. I think I fired 3 of them over there.
They come and help me find mommy.
Dang.
Oh no! Ow!
You didn't get that close.
I know, but I wanted that to hurt. I shot mommy right in the bucket.